Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers, you already know the thing set. We're blessed. You also know the story incomplete if minute upon the beating can't see. Upon the screen, we have a whole lot in this one, my people. One bag and a one style. So it's extremely important to watch to the end of the video so you don't miss a thing. Obviously, we want to kick it off with Unforgettable K because I'm not gonna lie to you, my people. The people that is saying she might be arrested for marriage fraud. Put in the comment section where you think about that because it has been brought to my attention. She has been married 4 times and the marriages are overlapping them one another. You see what I say? And this is why the people them is saying they paid Shauna Chin to actress in this skit. You see what I say? Because they have to make this divorce look legit unless people can possibly facing up to 10 years in prison and a $250,000 fine. So you don't know the thing set, my people. This adultery affair is public. The media houses are running with it. So you know this is in the paper. Everybody's thinking it's real. So when these things are presented in the court case, of the court documents, she can prove her case why this marriage needs to be dissolved. This is my people. Put in the comment section where you think about that because I'm not gonna lie to you. Them say K have a good job and all of them thing, yeah. CNN business, you know what I mean? But like I said, when I pulled up her information on, you know, the government website, these are what popped up. I'm not gonna lie to you, I seen some credit stuff, so I was avoiding those. But I'm saying I'm fast on other people in business and realize it was like 2 other man name call up in a divorce thing. I can press pause and read them. You say one man named Shahid, one man named Davian, and you know such man 10 point. You see what I say? So I'm just giving you the update what go on for that to go on, you see me? And if that's not the truth, well, this is, and you know the truth hurts, and she just can't stand to hear the people them tell her, say, yo, you need to move on. And obviously she's not ready for it, and she's running away a lot of people that is, you know, she's looking consoling from, you know, comfort.
Rika tell K she's hurting and K get upset and tell Rika to get off her phone and jump off.
That you left. Me know that. But like when me I say, like, okay, you're over it, but like deep down like a part of your fucking hurt because you know when me and I've been in something similar than this. Wait, like you get with a broke nigga will never have nothing, and like you did so much for him. So fucking much. Okay, yeah, fucking it hurt. It hurt. You've been
no,
I've
you
been
are
married
still
3
not
times, you've been married 4
You
times.
are not getting it, Rika. These people are painting a picture like him and Fida Dido are hurt me. When it's not him and Fida Dido are hurt me.
The situation hurt you.
And the way the people them on the internet are do. You're not getting it. No, choose to get it. I'm not even having a conversation with you. Come on from my phone.
She's hurt.
So if nothing happens with me, nobody had a fucking story? If nothing happens with K, if there's not a bring down for K, there's a lot of people who don't have a story. So you guys were right. I'm fueling them. I'm feeding them. Because 2 weeks ago, when I was here promoting my party, everybody was quiet. There was no song going out. There were no handicap on TikTok talking. There was nothing. You didn't even see people. And as soon as K gets excited and I have this party, even when it's not a party, whenever I get excited, this is what happened. Whenever I start talking, I fuel you guys to become somebody. I am the one who's putting y'all on the For You page. You can't enter this For You page by yourself. I'm getting it.
I just don't understand these celebrities, whether they're A-listers or T-listers, them bring them bagga to the media and get upset when media run with it. Anyway, let's proceed to the next. Major trending news we say out to Jamaica. You know, earlier we, you know, made the world know Vybz Kartel confirmed saying, baby, them there. So you see myself and we mix up on things channel.
I'm in love with my baby daddy.
That's me, motherfuckers.
Yeah, problems in the comment section, my people. Putting it in the comment section, all fix. Tell them forget next car, one burn it down and kiss me, baby. But on the app, you see what I say. And nevertheless, my people, it's definitely a good look. For see them, because she put in work. She deserves a ring and a king or a queen in her belly, you know. You see what I say, because she been with him for 10 years. You know what I mean? And it's no selling no thing, cause you know, multi-nation, national nation, a Jamaica thing, you know. You see me say, and all of them pitney them taking care of her. Nobody's coming out saying that they not do them part like other dancehall artists. You see me? So just they want giving them a quick update. If you didn't see it earlier, but my next page, you see me say, Sidem and Vybz Kartel confirmed pregnancy. And it's not a jacket because I'm saying my daddy. You see me? Let's proceed. No, keeping up with your A-listers and T-listers, you know, Macadam take over the TikTok thing, and homegirl is in Turkey vacationing, and as you can see, she got her teeth done, and I think it looks beautiful. Put in the comment section where you think about that, because you know, this day and age, people on social media, they might drag her, you know, because you know Spice, they deal with her way one time pants thing. So when she get them thing there now, more know the people them this attributing to that. But I was just giving them a quick update. Turkey is safe, my people. Makadosh is out there. You see, I say, no, Rosealee is tired of the bagga people that is following her and, you know, bringing her mix up about Triigga. You see, I say, and she said she doesn't want to see it because she's no FBI agent. You see, I say, so keep on the evidence to herself unless she's going to block on them. You know what I mean? You know, she and Triigga was, they was cool at one point, as, you know, a lot of these followers with these T-listers, and, you know, eventually, you know, they go their own way, and, you know, they bring in Don Guan, you know. And that Triigga I deal with right now, you see, man, I said, but Rosealee had enough of seeing it.
How comes you not send me about Triigga again? Me go start black someone and I mean it. Me never see no come inbox and say, Rosealee, go click your live now, me have 3 lines for send come give you. If I know money you not talk about, don't come in on me inbox. To that, my make sure look pan me without class when coming around, no joke. Now it's 8:33 and today how much of the month? The 16th of March. Anyone I want to come on me inbox with a screen a card and not wrong card about that talk about me go black. Who want it? I have an FYP too. I must see it. I don't know, get the concept. When some of these people talk about me, I'm not listening to them. And the kinds more chop on the board. I just left me out a while ago, go down and see you to my picnic them, go get them money for go about them business. And I never come by beg 2 kinds. Could I go down and see you with mix up? Our people that say about me, for them go eat and drink something. My daughter's birthday next month. Let me can go for fashion over with mix up and order. June come the 12th of my birthday. You think I can go on the flight line and book. So long I book the flight with mix up. For go to Thailand for find money. For book flight, buy clothes plus things spend at Thailand. After my birthday, I back to school. You think I can go to the bookshop. Because son up in there and I chat mix up with the clerk. Then I go call police and put me off a lightary. No coming in my inbox with a mix up. Me outgrown them stuff there. Me a top girl. But more over in the bag yeah, for. Eh? One no come in my inbox come tell me son I go want. Some of them can't sit my stomach. But this is someone that come in and come say, Rose, send me a cash up I send 100 I want to peer mix. We have some screen card in for. But that's all do. Not get me upset and about to work my piece. Cause sometime when I'm here then I want good mood and not send me things and upset me. Me no want to see it. Me never ask no question. Defend the kind them on the board. I never, ever hear someone on a blood clot coming at my inbox, come to me say, Rose, me have 3 lion put on for you, go and go quick like me send them now. I pay one screen a card, that the person I talk about you, that the person I chat about you, that the person me no want hear.
Yeah, can't we all just get along? Some people and sing our favorite song. You know what I mean? But if you haven't subscribed to the King, I suggest you do so. You know what I mean? And turn on the notification bell there for you be notified whenever I drop the latest in the dancehall news, musical reviews, and gossips. Please.